Hello friends, today's topic mid and small cap stocks sliding. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Nifty 50 index was positive today. However, mid and small cap indices continue to fall. Nifty 50 changed today plus 0.56%, change from the lifetime high minus 11.5%. Nifty mid cap 100 changed today minus 1.34%, change from lifetime high minus 12.7%. 3. Nifty small cap 100 change today minus 1.63, change from the lifetime high 13%. Mid and small cap stocks falling more in a downtrend is a common thing. Usually when markets are weak, many investors shift to large caps temporarily until there is more certainty in the markets. Also, mid and small cap stocks were trading at high valuations since the last 1 year, and gradually with the fall, the valuations are falling. However, the valuations are still on the higher side compared to historical valuations. Since there has already been a significant fall in January, many investors may be also profit booking, fearing a further correction. If you hold good mid-cap and small-cap stocks, or if you hold mid-cap and small-cap mutual funds, you must not be concerned. There's always a cycle where these stocks go up and down and fall, stay low, and then after 2 to 3 years, the next rally starts. When valuations are high, stocks tend to fall due to various reasons and gradually result in lower valuations. Once the valuation seems to be on the lower side, large investors once again buy such stocks and slowly they start rallying and reach high valuations, and then the cycle continues. If you are confident of the fundamentals of the stock or mutual fund, you must continue to invest regularly through the down period and must not stop due to temporary fall in prices. This is subject to them being good stocks and mutual funds. Otherwise, you may be stuck with losses even after investing for many years. For inexperienced investors, mid and small cap stocks are not ideal since they may not be able to bear the volatility and fall in price. It usually causes high fear in their minds, and many investors panic and sell since they may see their stocks prices fall by even 50 to 60%. On the other hand, if you have a good exposure to large cap stocks, investors are less likely to panic since they are less volatile and may also fall lesser than mid and small cap stocks in a bear phase. We have always suggested to have balance in your portfolio and not overload on any particular type of stocks for safety and comfort. Anyway, a bear market is a good teacher since it teaches us many lessons which may not be learned when things are going smoothly in the markets. As long-term investors, we have to go through tough phases to come out stronger and more confident. End of the video, here is the question. Do you regret starting late to invest in stocks and mutual funds? You may type yes or no. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.